In this video we will explore the JPAD Modeller workflow related to the pre-designed module. To start the process, first, ensure that no empty or invalid input data are present, then click the Generate button. Now let's see what JPAD Modeller is doing, to better understand the aircraft generation workflow. This infographic shows the complete pre-design process. In the first step, a statistical aircraft model is generated, starting from the set of top-level aircraft requirements. Then, in case of custom geometrical parameters, JPAD Modeller will override those parameters with the ones defined by the user, leading to a new aircraft model. A preliminary estimation of aircraft masses is carried out by means of a Class 1 weight estimation module. This allows to obtain an initial maximum takeoff weight breakdown, including major contributions like the empty weight, the payload and the mission fuel. More details on the behavior of this module will be provided in a separate video. Then, the aircraft geometry and the estimated masses are used to compute sizing limitations and to define the matching point chart, also known as sizing plot. During this process, a preliminary estimation of some major aircraft aerodynamic characteristics is performed to obtain the required drag polar curves. As for the weight estimation, this task will be the focus of a dedicated video. Once all limitations have been defined, the sizing point is selected, according to the user-selected strategy. In addition, if the user has chosen to calculate the aerodynamic efficiencies, the Oswald factors, or maximum lift coefficients, the related calculation modules will be triggered to update their values and recalculate aircraft weights if needed, and recalculate the sizing limitations. The overall process ends when the aircraft maximum takeoff weight does not change between two consecutive iterations more than 1 kilogram. At the end, final operations are performed, including the generation of all output charts, a complete update of the UI with all output data, a feasible values check on alternate cruise phase altitude and speed if this phase have been considered in the mission profile, a check on possible aircraft geometry issues, which will be better explained in a dedicated video. Once generated, the aircraft model will be shown in the right-hand side of the window. Let's select the Generated Aircraft tab, and let's choose one of the views listed in the View Selection drop-down menu to see the final aircraft model. On the right-hand side, in the log window, at the bottom of the panel, JPAD Modeller gives you a full log of all data involved in the pre-design process, grouped by categories: TLAR, fuselage, cabin, wing, fuel tank, horizontal and vertical tail, power plant nacelles, and landing gears. Next videos will go more in depth in the description of some steps of the presented workflows and their outputs.